Good morning, students. How are you all? Fine. Okay, today the video is on grammar adverbs. I already discussed this topic in your Zoom classes on 5th December. Okay, so sorry, on 4th December. Okay, now I am going to explain once again. What are adverbs? Adverbs are the words that tells us more about the verbs, adjectives or other adverbs in a sentence. Suppose the cat purrs happily. Now happily tells us more about the purr. Now the lake is almost empty. So empty ko qualify which word is doing? Almost. Now Tara picked up her puppy very gently. The work done is gently, but how? So very gently. So all these very, almost, happily, these are called adverbs. See, adverbs are also 3 or 4 types. Adverb of manner. Now I am speaking to you. Now how I am speaking? Loudly, softly. So this is called how the action is going on. So this is called adverb of manner. On the basis of these categories, we will solve the exercises. So first of all, we will solve side by side. Page number 63. Question number A. Fill in the blanks with suitable adverbs from the strip below. The blue box is given and the answers are given. You have to choose them correctly. I am reading the sentences. Tarun did not take his parent advice seriously. Now the what adverbs, how can you identify the adverbs? You will see ly in the last. Okay. In adverb of manner. Okay. Sushma reads newspaper daily. In some words you will not get ly, but maximum they have. We must never play. This exercise is all mixed up. Now then we will do by category wise. We must never play with sharp objects. This exercise is to show what are adverbs. Then we will move on to the category wise. Wait for me. I have almost completed my work. The children were very happy after the picnic. Go and play outside, said my mom. He called me up yesterday to plan a meeting for tonight. I often see him during my morning walk. Now we are going for category wise. Adverb of manner, I already told you what is adverb of manner. So definition is, an adverb of manner tells us how an action is done. The lion roared loudly. Now verb is roaring. But how he is roaring? Loudly. So loudly is the adverb of manner. My father drives carefully. See, driving is verb. Now how is driving? Carefully. So carefully is an adverb. Okay? So adverb is loudly, quickly, carefully, okay? Seriously, noisily, softly, okay? Smoothly. All these are adverb of manner. And they say busy. So you can change by ily adding. You can add ily in busy, busily. Easy, easily. So again we are going to solve exercises based on this. Page number 64. And the answers are: the wind blew so strongly that Subho's hat flew away. Second, the rain fell heavily on the rooftop. The minister secretly crept out of the theatre. The woman nervously did as she was told by the robber. The accident was caused by someone driving rashly. Okay? Now question number C. Change the given adjectives into adverb. Now adjectives we have given you. You have to convert into adverb and then fill up the blanks correctly. So first is, the water current carried the swimmer swiftly down the river. The baby cried loudly because it was hungry. Sumit won the school quiz contest as he answered all the questions correctly. The winners smiled happily when the audience clapped. The speaker spoke so softly that no one could hear her. So now second part is adverb of time. When the adverb shows the time when the action was done, that is called adverb of time. An adverb of time tells us when the action takes place. Some adverbs of time are today, tomorrow, yesterday, before, daily. This indicates the time. It rained yesterday. So yesterday means time is shown when the rain occurred. So these are called adverbs of time. Now what kind of exercises you will get in an exam? We will give you a sentence. You have to take out the adverb and then tell its time. So 2 marks it will come like this. We will do practice before exams, no problem. Now page number 65. Question number D. Circle the adverbs of time and underline the verbs they tell us about. We reached the station late. So late timing is given. So late is, you have to circle it. Second, they will attend a meeting in Mumbai tomorrow. So tomorrow is adverb. It is my friend's birthday party tonight. So tonight is adverb. Earlier people did not know what food could be could. So earlier, the dietitian will give a speech today in the school hall. So today is adverb. Now again third category is adverb of place. And means as name indicates where the action has done. Inside, outside, near, far, So this type of. So adverb of place tells us where an action takes place. Some adverbs of place are here, there, everywhere, somewhere, inside, outside, near, far. Okay, the children are playing upstairs. So place is mentioned. So this is called, upstairs is called adverb of place. So you have to search out upstairs, then you have to tell the type key, it is adverb of place. Now question number E is based on this. Circle the correct adverbs of place from those given in brackets. First, Hampi is far or there. You have to choose the correct. So Hampi is there. Hampi is there or far. What will come? Hampi is far or there from Delhi. So what is there? Hampi is far from Delhi. Is there anybody inside? She gestured her pet dog to come near. I saw Veena going somewhere. I have cooked for my missing. I have looked for my missing keys everywhere. Okay? So both are looking similar. So you have to choose which one is correct. Now fourth type is adverb of frequency. So definition is adverb of frequency tells us how often an action takes place. Kitne repeatedly actions are going on. Often, usually, never, sometimes. So when the frequency is given, that is called adverb of frequency. Seldom, usually, sometimes, always, it indicates adverb of frequency. So on the basis of this, question number A, 2 options are given. You have to choose correct one. They are the best friends and they always go to school together. This is one of the driest places in the country. It rarely rains. Rains means some very less time. Okay, sometimes, very few. Question. Now we are going on to read on page number 66. We celebrate our sports day annually. Annually means once in a year. My father is very punctual. He always reaches office before time. Fifth, Aditya doesn't like cycling. He seldom means sometime, very few, cycles to school. Sixth, I never wanted to be an engineer, but my parents forced me to study engineering. Now question number G, it is different. Now few words are highlighted by red color that you have to change with proper word of frequency or whatever the options they have given. So first is very frequently. I am reading the only red colored words. Now how I am changing into proper word? So I am reading the red words and correct ones. So first is very frequently. So very frequently के लिए correct word is usually. Every day, daily. Even once means on never. So the word will come never. Then fourth is once in a while means occasionally. Then hardly ever means kabhi. So that is we use seldom. And the day before today, very simple, yesterday. Normally means often. Every now and then. So isko we say occasionally. Okay. Now on page number 67, one more fifth category is given. Adverbs of degree. So what is this? It tells about the extent or intensity. How deeply you are doing the actions. Some adverb of degree are almost, nearly, fully, completely, slightly. So on the basis of this, a crossword puzzle is given that can't be discussed on video because it can be done through picture. So I am sending the pic of this page. You can solve this page through pic in your grammar book. I hope the adverbs are clear to you. We have already discussed in Zoom class, so it is repeated. Now complete your book exercises. Definition of all the types I will send you through pic. So write that and we will solve some examples also. So have a nice day. Read the chapter again and again, and so that your concept will be clear, and I will send you pics. You can complete your grammar book and copy also. Have a nice day. Goodbye.